The topic for today is how to use templates to create FMEAs. So one may want to use custom templates that is very particular to the organization, or they want to use some custom templates that are very customized to the project. So how to do that in SLIKWORKS? First step, we start by creating a project. I'm going to say first add the project name. My go-to project is the Park Assist system, which is an automotive Park Assist system. Click on create a project. The Park Assistant project is created. I click on it, and then the dashboard for the project opens up. It lets you do an FMEA and FMEA for now. For now, we're going to focus on the FMEA. I select the FMEA, and then there is a standard FMEA template. The standard FMEA template today is basically based on the VDA AIAG template. However, this may not be the template that you're looking for, and you wanted to create something custom. So you can go and create new template, and you can either create something from scratch, or you can take an existing template and modify it. Simplest way, let's take this template from scratch. I'm going to name it custom template one. And over here, you can see it lets you choose what components you want to add. Uh, Now, there's some components which are default components. So, for example, the the component itself, the component which is what is it that you're doing an FMEA for? It's failure mode, a row number is basically a unique row number, an effect, a status, and a recommended action. We're going to add a new column, and in order to add a new column, we are going to click on this and then go to custom column. We're going to add column, and we're going to rename it as information. And there you see it's a custom column. Let's say we want to add another one called safety. Let's add one more, which is a safety mechanism, which is an existing column. And then we want to add one more, let's say notes. Sorry. Right. I can go to save template, and then you have this template. You can also go back in here and you can update this template pretty easily. So you could say, I want the recommended actions after the notes. So you could just move this around. I could have status after the notes, and then you have the row number. Yeah, then you can save this template, and then you select this template. Now it's the same process. Upload an architecture diagram. This time go to enable effects. So here you have the FMEA generated. Again, for every component that has been identified, there is an FMEA that is generated. These are some of the default failure modes that is coming from the tool itself. And then click on, when I expand them, you can see system effect, safety goal violation. It's not populated because it's expected that the user fills this. So here you could say yes, no, And then you have a safety mechanism, which you can again modify over here. You can decide whether you want to use an existing safety mechanism or you want to add a new safety mechanism. If you want to add a new safety mechanism, you go back here, and then you click on add, and you say new safety mechanism. Go back to the form sheet, and then you say, I want new safety mechanism. In addition to this, it gets saved, and there you go. One of the cool features that we've added as a part of the templates is filtering based on custom columns that have been added. So we have the ability now to search filter columns based on the new columns that have been added as a part of the template. So for example, you can go to filters, and then you can go to add filter, and then say based on safety goal violation. Yes. So it'll automatically dynamically filter. And just so try another example here, safety goal violation. No. And if we go here and we search by no, so it's going to filter out easily. Now, the nice part about this is whatever is the name that has been given in the template to a given column, that is what is going to show up over here. So it makes it very easy and intuitive for the user. For the user, it's going to appear as though this is the FMEA template all along. So this, I think, is a good feature that we have, which we think would help users filter, work with hundreds of rows.